Good evening, L1 student.
Good evening, Teacher Rona. Good evening, classmates. It's nice to see you this evening. Mabuhay.
Okay, can you settle down?
Thank you, sir.
So mathematics taron. So math. So our topic for today is all about
Division of fraction.
So division of
Fraction. Mixed and proper whole number.
So
Division.
so nagapangatan na. Kasi nag-remember what is mixed fraction.
Nay 3 sa
mixed
kilid.
fraction?
Nay 3 sa kilid. Nay 3 sa kilid.
Saan na 3 sa kilid? Na siya ay whole
number
number
sa
sa
kilid.
kilid. Dayon,
Nay kwan.
fraction dayon. Mao na siya gitawag og
Mixed fraction.
So how about improper?
fraction.
Yang improper, giprak.
Kuan char and proper. Dako. Dako.
Asay dako ana.
Ako char. Kuan char.
So dako ang babaw.
Saka
Chin, dako
ubos.
denominator,
Gamay. Gamay ang denominator.
Oh, very good. Numerator kay less than denominator kay greatest. Bali ba yun?
Nabali. Ay, dinay.
Di, ang improper kay dako ang
Babaw.
babaw. Then ang
Gamay.
denominator kay
Gamay.
gamay. So, how about proper? Bali
Dako,
ra
Chin.
yun, giprak.
Kuan char. Dako ang mabaw sa kay ubos.
Oh.
Anay, gamay ang mabaw sa
Gamay ang denominator, then
denominator.
ang denominator kay dako. So about whole number. Okay, another hand, Jing. From the word whole, ano ang whole number?
Na number sa kilid.
So, ano siya itawag og whole? Isa ba whole? Whole
Number.
number. Sige, let's proceed. So proceed ta sa arita sa mix fraction. So dividing
Mixed numbers.
So dividing mix
Numbers.
So para masabtan. So example. Basa.
3, 4. Divide 1, 2.
1 half. So 1 over 2.
1 half.
So first,
1 half. 1 half.
ano sabi mo ng buhaton?
Division.
So, ang whole number o ang denominator kay ato siya
Times.
Then, ang whole number of numerator kay ato siya
Divide.
last. So, 3 times 4.
12.
Plus, ato may plus ang
Plus 3. 15.
So,
15.
copy the
Whole number.
Sino gani sa obos?
Denominator.
Oh, copy the
Denominator.
denominator.
Dito.
Ay. So, 4
4.
times malay ni. So, 4. The next.
Plus ang 1 times 2.
Pila total sa inyong time allotment? Janilyn? 10? 10? Okay, butang. Pila yung total sa time allotment? 45? Faith, 45? Okay. Next, sa yung item placement mo, hindi mo maglibog. Tara, item placement. Pila man yung overall? Adto sa Pikas kay 70. Sa L1 kay 70. Yung L2, 70 lang time alat anong item placement. Yung pila, 65. Ari sa una, di mo ka-solve dira sa number of items kung wala mo yung item placement. 70? Okay. Sige, solve. Faith, solve. Use your cell phone.
Wala, naalagin kirikot sa,
O yan na, sige na. Okay, solve. Faith.
yung phone, tutod.
Faith. 10. 10 divided by 45 times 65. Faith, sige na, Faith. 10 divided by 10 divided by 45 times 65. Oh. Ang inyong first kay 14, dili 12. Okay, ingon nato ang process. Okay. Next. Same raman, di ba? 10, 10, 10. Na 65. So, 14. Okay, i-check. Inyo hadira iluan, group 1. Asa naman mo? Mana? Pila inyong time allotment? Pila ka hours? Ha? Time allotment. Pila over. Good evening, level 2 students.
Good evening, Teacher Joanne.
Okay, please take your seat.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so, unsa gani yung title nga gi-copy?
Part of speech.
Okay, part of speech. Sachi, please stand up. Sachi, what is a verb?
A verb expresses an action, occurrence of state of being.
Okay, very good. Okay, Karjan, give me example of verb.
And jump right.
Okay, very good. Charmin, give me example of sentence of verb.
The cat jumps on the table.
Okay, the cat jumps on the table. Very good. Nash, what is
A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun.
Mary Chris? Give me example of sentence of pronoun.
She is reading book.
Okay, very good.
An adverb modifies a verb. Adjective on another adverb. It answers questions like how, when, where, to what, is.
Tell me, give me example of adverb.
Yesterday.
Very good. Okay, please take your seat.
Adjective. An adjective describes or modifies a noun or pronoun. It answers questions like what kind, which one, how many.
Okay, very good. Karen, please stand up. Give me example of sentence of adjective.
He bought a new car.
Okay, he bought a new car. Very good, Karen. Level 2 students, give me example of adjective.
Red, large, happy, dream, beautiful. Preposition. A preposition shows a relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in the sentence. It often indicates direction, place, sign, or method.
Okay, what is example of preposition?
On, at, under, between, with. Conjunction. A conjunction connects words, phrases, or clauses, coordinating and but or so. Coordinating because, although, while. Interjection. An interjection is a word or phrase that expresses emotion and is often followed by a exclamation mark.
Okay, give me an example of interjection.
Oh, wow, ouch, hooray, hey.
Charmin, give me one example, only one. Very good. Sit down. 7's example starts of speech.
Pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection.
Goodbye, level 2 students.
Goodbye and thank you, Teacher Joanne Samida.